Let's move on to exercise related to reading comprehension. First comprehensive question is, what does the poet hear? Answer: the poet hears the sound of rain. He is hearing the sound being emitted when raindrops are falling on leaves, and he says that it is a sweet noise to hear. Moving on to second question, which is, what according to the poet is a sweet noise? Answer: the poet hears the sound of rain. He is hearing the sound being emitted when raindrops are falling on leaves, and this sound of dripping of rain drop after drop on leaves too is a sweet noise according to poet. Third question is, what will happen after the rain stops? Answer: when the rain will stop, the sun will shine with its full intensity, and that sunshine will fall on each and every leaf without the discrimination between top and bottom leaves. The sunshine is symbolizing equality and hope, which means poet is hopeful that equality will prevail. Moving on to fourth question, which is, how does the sun come out after the rain? Answer: the sun comes out after the rain, and its wondrous light spreads everywhere, which falls on every leaf. It even fills the dark rain droplets with light which are on bottom leaves. Hence, the sun is shining equally for all the leaves without discrimination. Fifth question, how does the light fill the drops? Answer: the dark round droplets which are on bottom leaves are filled with light being emitted by sun and is illuminated. This sunshine finishes the discrimination between the leaves and equality prevails. Sixth question, what makes the scene lovely? Answer: when the sun comes out after the rain and shines bright with its full intensity, it makes the scene lovely. The sunshine is reflected on each and every droplet on every leaf. So this was all about the exercises related to reading comprehension section. Let's move on to our next exercise. Thank you.